How have lecture note-taking tools evolved? Imagine going back in time to a classroom with just a pen and paper, trying to keep up with a fast-moving lecture. Over the years, note-taking tools have changed dramatically to make studying easier and more organized. In the early days, students used simple handwritten notes, often following methods like the Cornell system, which divided the page into sections for notes, cues, and summaries. This helped students review and remember material better. As computers became common in the late 20th century, digital note-taking started to grow. Programs like Microsoft OneNote, introduced in 2003, and Evernote, launched in 2005, allowed students to organize notes on their computers or tablets. These tools made it easy to search for specific notes, clip web content, and sync across different devices. Students could now access their notes anytime and anywhere, which was a big step forward. With the rise of smartphones and tablets, apps like Notability and GoodNotes appeared. These apps let students write with styluses, draw diagrams, and annotate notes just like they would with pen and paper. This was especially helpful for subjects that involve lots of sketches or equations. The ability to combine handwriting, typing, and images in one place made note-taking more flexible and engaging. Recently, note-taking tools have added artificial intelligence features. These smart apps can automatically tag notes, summarize long passages, and even create quizzes from your notes. This helps students manage large amounts of information more efficiently and review material more actively. Educational research also influenced how these tools developed. Modern note-taking apps now support collaboration, multimedia integration, and customizable formats. Students can work together on notes, add videos or recordings, and adapt their notes to fit their learning styles. From a practical point of view, these changes mean students can organize their notes better, stay more engaged during lectures, and review more effectively. Digital notebooks allow quick searching and linking notes, while features like handwriting recognition and audio recordings help capture complex lecture content. Cloud storage makes notes accessible from any device, supporting remote and hybrid learning. Overall, the evolution of lecture note-taking tools has shifted from simple recording to active learning. Technology now helps students understand and remember lecture material more easily, making studying more productive and less stressful.